We are looking at how to pronounce this word in English, a word that looks as simple as it gets. However, there's going to be two very different ways of saying it, and most English speakers do pronounce it two different ways without necessarily realizing it. Most non-English speakers do not realize there are two different ways of saying it. So how does that go? The academic way of saying it should normally be our. And that's the only way most non-English speakers do know it, our. However, very often in everyday life in Britain and other English-speaking countries, a lot of people pronounce it as our. Instead of saying our house, they would say our house, as in our house in the middle of our street, for example. So you can say our house or our car, but you are also able and allowed to say our house and our car. Yes, our or our. Two simple different ways, very different ways of saying the same word, our or our. Pretty straightforward once you know, but it's very valuable to know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce many useful English words whose pronunciation is not always obvious. See you there.